Hey guys, coming at you with another awesome van build from Small Vans Big World. Really excited to show you this one because I think it has probably about all the options that we can think of to include. Definitely the most optioned out van that we've built, actually. So we're excited to show you all these different options that you can include. And if you guys can think of something that we can sneak into a micro camper like this, let us know. Why don't we jump inside and take a look? Okay, so jumping back outside, we'll start with the exterior, and the options that you see first is the canopy. Right here we have the setup, really nice seating for two people. Really easy to set up with one person, or definitely very easy with two people. Just a manual canopy that opens up and really low profile mounted on the exterior. Then the other feature that we have on the exterior, since this is a passenger van, it has windows all around. So to be able to pull fresh air into the van, we installed window deflectors around the exterior on all four windows so that when you're running the vent fan, you can pull fresh air through the windows. So then in the front of the van, you'll have the solar panel. It's a 180 watt solar panel. It's a bifacial, so very high efficiency. We like to keep that really low to the roof so that you have good aerodynamics. Behind that would be the Max Air Fan Deluxe version with the remote and the climate settings as well. And then this one also has the skylight. So client wanted some extra headroom, also that amazing natural lighting. And then of course, those roof features have their own custom window covers. Then a few other features on the exterior would be your shore power plug, your diesel heater, fuel tank input, exterior lighting, and then this van already had a hitch. So moving into the interior, we have a few climate control options. We have the diesel heater built in underneath the driver's seat, a portable air conditioner on the front passenger seat that can be used on the front seat or in the back here. And then moving our way backwards, we have the refrigerator right here. This is a 23 quart refrigerator that can do fridge and freezer. A storage box next to that, nice long and deep storage box. So then up here we have the overhead shelf extension with the diesel heater controller, a shelf, and then great storage for some lightweight items up there, like all the window covers. We have window covers for the whole van, all of the windows. And then if you want to have like an easier option that you don't have to put the window covers in the front, we have a divider that can divide the cabin with the rear. So then moving into the van, you would have the futon style bed that we do. Really great solid build. It is very lightweight, very slim design, but super easy and functional. Our clients have been really loving that, with a solid memory foam mattress that opens up, and setting up the bed is so easy. Underneath that would be a portable toilet that is serviceable out the other door as well, and then a whole bunch of storage underneath your bed with baskets to really maximize the amount of storage that you can use. This van features all cedar ceiling and siding, and then we also have the laminate white cabinets with just a natural epoxied countertop. Right here at the front of the cabinet, you'll have all of your controls for your lighting. You have your outlet, your USB ports, switch for the inverter, heat pad switches, and then also your meter for your battery. So then for electrical, we have a 300 amp hour lithium battery built into the floor, which gives us 3 times the capacity of what we typically do. So that's something we're really excited about to start to include as an upgrade option, is to be able to have much more battery capacity. So then combine that with the bigger solar panel. We have 180 watts of solar, the 30 amp alternator charging, and the shore power plug. You have 3 ways to charge up your camper van, whether you're driving stationary or just parked in the sun. Also built into the floor is a 10-gallon water tank. So that would be your fresh water tank storage with a 12-volt water pump, accumulating tank, and that's what gets you running water for your faucet. So speaking of the plumbing, we have the faucet right here, where as usual, you can pull it out and wash off outside or set yourself up as a little bit of a shower. Nice big sink right there. We have your switches for your water pump, your exterior lighting, and then the dump. We have a 2.5 gallon undermounted water tank for your gray water that has an electronic valve to be able to dump that very easily. Plenty of storage built into the cabinet. electrical, a full drawer that can easily store a single burner cooktop stove, and then also the epoxy pull-out table. Another fun little feature that is new, we included a little side table right here that is on a lagoon mound. Can double as a table outdoors, but primarily was built for additional table and workspace for the client on the interior. So this is an epoxy table on a swivel mount that is fully removable, and we really like the way this turned out. A few last features that we want to show you. Let's jump around by the side door and we'll show you those. So on the passenger side, as you guys know, you can service the toilet out from here. We have the water fill, water level, the power switch for these meters, and then the diesel fuel gauge right there. The idea with the AC unit right here, this is a zero breeze low voltage air conditioner, powering this actually through a 12 to 24 converter so that we can run this directly off of that 300 amp hour battery that I mentioned. So then from here, you'll have great cold air blowing into the space with the ducting going out the side window right here. And then one last little fun feature, this client has a dog as well. So we built in a leveling platform right here. Just as you saw, it is super easy to install and put back in. And then that gives a level surface for a dog bed or other items, or also you can have the air conditioner right here functioning as well. Thank you guys for joining us for another van tour. We're excited to show you guys all these features. Hopefully you guys like it. We're really excited for the client to see it. This turned out to be a really great build. If you guys are interested to see more photos, check it out at smallvansbigworld.com, or we also can take form submissions there if you're interested in building your own custom van. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.